Now, let's talk about you. As a service professional, whether you're a landscaper battling ever-growing to-do lists, a cleaner juggling multiple properties, a contractor managing complex project schedules, or any other field service expert, your time is precious. Every minute spent answering calls, manually scheduling appointments, and sending confirmation emails is time you could be spending actually doing the work that generates revenue. This is where the magic of online booking comes in. It's not just a fancy add-on anymore. It's a fundamental tool for streamlining your operations, improving your customer experience, and ultimately, growing your business. By empowering your clients to book appointments online at their convenience, you're not only making their lives easier, but also freeing up your time to focus on what you do best. So, how do you actually implement this game-changing feature? That's where Jobber comes in. Jobber is a comprehensive software platform designed specifically for service businesses, and one of its standout features is its robust and user-friendly online booking system. Think of Jobber as your digital assistant, working tirelessly behind the scenes to manage your appointments, communicate with clients, and keep your schedule organized. Setting up online booking with Jobber might sound daunting, but trust me, it's a straightforward process that can yield significant benefits for your business. Let's dive into the steps involved in setting up online booking with Jobber and unlock a new level of efficiency for your service business. First things first, you'll need a Jobber account. If you haven't already signed up, head over to the Jobber website and explore their various plans to find one that suits your business needs. Once you have your account set up and you've logged in, navigate to the Settings section. This is where you'll find the control panel for customizing various aspects of your Jobber experience, including online booking. Within the Settings menu, look for an option related to online booking or client portal. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but it should be relatively easy to spot. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Now, you'll likely be presented with a series of customization options. This is where you get to tailor your online booking experience to match your specific services and workflow. One of the first things you'll want to configure is the services you offer for online booking. Jobber allows you to select which of your services will be available for clients to book online. You can also set specific durations, pricing, if applicable, and even add descriptions for each service to provide clients with all the necessary information before they book. Consider the level of detail you want to provide here. Clear and concise descriptions can help manage client expectations and reduce follow-up questions. If you offer variations of a service, e.g., a basic cleaning versus a deep cleaning, make sure to clearly differentiate them in your online booking options. Next, you'll likely want to define your availability. This is crucial for ensuring that clients can only book appointments during your working hours. Jobber allows you to set your general business hours and even create more granular availability rules for specific days or services. Take some time to carefully configure your availability. Consider factors like travel time between appointments, lunch breaks, and any days you don't offer services. Accurate availability settings will prevent double bookings and ensure a smooth scheduling process. Another important aspect of setting up online booking is configuring the client intake form. This is the information you'll collect from clients when they book an appointment online. Jobber allows you to customize this form to gather essential details such as their name, contact information, address, and any specific notes or requests related to the service they're booking. Think about the information you typically need from a new client. Do you need their property size? Specific instructions for accessing their property? Any preferences they might have? Tailor your intake form to gather this information upfront, saving you time and ensuring you have all the necessary details before the appointment. Jobber also offers options for setting up automated confirmations and reminders. This is a fantastic feature that can significantly reduce no-shows and improve communication with your clients. You can customize the content of these emails and SMS messages to include important details like the appointment date and time, your company information, and any pre-appointment instructions. Take advantage of these automated communication features. They not only provide a professional touch but also help ensure that your clients are well-informed and prepared for their appointments. Furthermore, you might want to explore options for payment integration within your online booking system. Jobber often integrates with various payment processors, allowing you to collect payments or deposits at the time of booking. This can help improve your cash flow and reduce the need for manual invoicing after the service is completed. Consider whether collecting payments upfront or offering a deposit option aligns with your business model. Clearly communicate your payment policies to clients during the booking process. Once you've configured all the necessary settings, the next step is to make your online booking link accessible to your clients. Jobber typically provides you with a unique URL that you can share in various ways. The most common way to share your online booking link is by embedding it on your website. Most website platforms allow you to easily add a button or a link that directs visitors to your Jobber online booking page. Make sure this link is prominently displayed and easy to find on your website. You can also share your online booking link in other places, such as your social media profiles, email signatures, and even QR codes on your marketing materials. The more visible your booking link is, the easier it will be for clients to book your services. After you've set up your online booking and shared your link, it's crucial to test the system thoroughly from the client's perspective. Try booking an appointment yourself to ensure that the process is smooth, intuitive, and that all the information you're collecting is accurate. Pay attention to the user experience. Is the booking process clear and easy to follow? Are all the necessary fields present? Do the confirmation emails look professional? Addressing any potential issues early on will ensure a positive experience for your clients. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.